Hello there. Can I help you book a dental appointment today?
Yeah, can I please make an appointment on the 14th of November at 9 a.m.?
Of course. May I have your full name, please?
My name is Ibrahim Rana.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Could you please confirm your phone number for me?
My number is 012-345-6789.
Thank you for providing your number. Just to confirm, your phone number is 012356789, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
It looks like the slot on November 14th at 9 o'clock a.m. is not available. Would you like to choose a different date or time?
Yeah, can we then do it at 11 a.m.?
Great news. The slot on November 14th at 11 o'clock a.m. is available. Just to confirm, your name is Ibrahim Rana. Your phone number is 01234566789, and you'd like an appointment on November 14th at 11 o'clock a.m., correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. I've submitted your appointment request to Rana Dentist. We hope to see you soon.
Perfect. Thank you so much. Bye-bye. I just created a voice AI agent for a dentist's receptionist that can be sold for $1,000 a month. In this video, I show you exactly how. My name is Ibrahim and I've been making AI agents on n8n for the past year, and I've been able to make a business out of it. To see how I'm able to make money from these n8n agents, please make sure to subscribe, to leave a comment, and let me know so I can continue and make more of these videos. Now, let's get straight into the build. All right, let's actually build the voice AI agent now. And for that, the first thing you want to do is set up a Twilio account. Now, Twilio has their own set of requirements before you can set anything up. But once everything is good to go, you want to go on to phone numbers, manage, then buy a number, then you will see this. And here you want to select the country you are in. I am in South Africa, so I'll just simply type in South Africa. Here, I don't really need any SMS or fax for this specific scenario, so I'll just filter those out. And now I have a variety of phone numbers to choose from. I don't even need to go for any fancy ones here. I can just go for the cheapest one. A national one would be preferable, so something like this one here for $1.50. This one is more than okay. Once you have bought the phone number and it's linked to your Twilio account, then you want to go on to this search bar. You want to search API keys, and the first thing that comes up is actually your API keys tab. As soon as you click that, you can actually set certain keys up. So here we will press create API key. This is what is required to actually connect to your voice AI agent. So before we even jump onto that, we will just make sure this connection is established. Here we'll just give it a demo name. Default is fine, standard is okay. The other choices, yeah, we don't need to worry about that. We'll just press standard here, then we'll press create. Then here we have a few things come up. So SID and your secret. This is your API key. This is your API secret. So then we will be building the entire voice agent on MillisAI. The reason for that is because it has one of the fastest latencies, or the lowest latencies, which means that when someone says hi, the response from the AI is very quick. I think they have about 200 or 500 milliseconds. I can't remember, but it's one of the fastest, and it's able to sound the most like an actual human, right? So as soon as you have your Millis account set up, you want to go on to phone number. Here you want to press import number, and the region that you have actually is your region, your country. So I'll again press South Africa there. Phone number, here you want to copy and paste the exact phone number that you have set up there. Then API key, here is where you would put this SID key. So you will just copy that, paste that there. Then your API secret would be this one. Your secret, copy and paste. Here your account SID, you will go back to your phone number page, or actually onto your account dashboard. Should be okay. And at the bottom here, once this loads, let's see, once this loads, here is your account SID. So you want to copy this, go back onto here, paste, and once you have your phone number here, you will easily be able to import it. And if there is a problem, you can just press onto tutorials and you'll have a detailed guide on actually how to connect that phone number. So now you will have connected your phone number onto Millis, and now you'll be able to actually just build that voice agent and connect them. So actually, let me also show you how you would connect. So when you click onto phone number, your import phone number should be here. You will select this green button here, link to agent, and here you'll be able to basically select the agent that you have just created, and that way your AI agent will be connected to your phone number. But this will come at a later stage. So first we will go on to voice agents, Then we will press the add button. We will create a name for this one. I'll just type in YouTube demo. That should be okay. So for the agent prompt, what I like to do is actually go onto ChatGPT, and this is a custom GPT that I found on the Explore page. I guess here I would just simply type in AI agent prompt generator, and this one came up. So I just selected this, and this is basically where you would explain or define what you're trying to build, and it'll give you a nice long prompt that you can copy and paste into your AI agent. So here we will tell it time as 1 hour. So let's see. Just out of that half broken prompt, let's see what it actually gives back. You are Rana Bot, the friendly voice assistant for Rana Dentist Clinic. Your job is to help users book a dental appointment quickly and clearly. So we'll just refine this within the actual agent. So here we'll just copy and paste. That's okay. If yes, collect the following. Repeat just to confirm accuracy. So here we will actually add another point, and we will say call the, I don't know, I'll think of it. Call the check availability tool. We still need to set this tool up. Call the check availability tool open and available. I don't know, I'll just give it more information. Open and available, right? Repeat the booking details back to them to confirm accuracy. So if preferred available, then repeat the booking details back to them and confirm accuracy. That's fine. If they confirm, proceed. If they say no to booking, politely offer help. No worries. If you change your mind or have any questions, feel free to reach out. Have a great day. So we'll actually add a step before that. If they say no, so we'll just add another point here. If preferred date and time is not available, preferred date and time is not available, politely date or time. Okay, that's right. So I won't even bother renumbering everything. I think it's smart enough to know. If preferred date and time is not available, politely ask them if they want to choose a different date or time. If they confirm, respond, perfect, I've submitted your appointment request to Rana Dentist. If they confirm, then actually what we want to do, if they confirm, call the book appointment tool to actually make the booking. I don't know, to actually make the booking. Then respond, perfect, I've submitted your appointment. Sure, that's fine. So what we actually want to do here, once the preferred appointment date and time is collected, call the check availability to make sure that the date and time is open and available. Tool to make sure that, so we will actually call the check availability tool and send the collected info like this. So then we will just specify in JSON that, so preferred appointment, so we will say date. So we will select like this, preferred date here, time, then same thing. That should be okay. So I'll actually go ahead and even give an example. So there we go. That should be okay. Info like this, make sure that the date and time, so I'll just remove that, is available before you proceed to make the appointment. So as you can see, this is a lot of just thinking on the top of your head and going back and forth with the system prompt to make sure that it does what you want it to do. If preferred date and time is available, repeat the booking details back to them to confirm accuracy. Yes, just to confirm, your name is this, your phone number is this, you'd like to point, yep, that's fine. If preferred date and time is not available, politely ask them if they want to choose a different date or time. If they confirm, call the book, if available, if a slot is available and they confirm, then call the book appointment tool to actually make the booking. Then respond So I'll actually also have to specify, then call the book appointment tool like this. Then I'll have to specify again. So how do we want it to book appointments? Then we want it to just send the actual details, right? So here I'll say full name here. That's okay. Then comma, number here. That's okay. Then finally, we will do their date. There we go. Preferred date here, preferred time here. That's fine. Now, of course, I'll have to give it another example. Paste that. There we go. That should be okay. And then to actually make the booking, it's logged and then confirm to like this. I can probably cut this. I mean, this is call the appointment tool like this to actually make the booking. That's fine. Then respond perfect. I've submitted your appointment request to run a dentist. Someone from our team will contact you shortly to confirm the final slot. No. We will say something like, I've submitted your appointment request to run a dentist. We hope to see you soon, right? They say no to booking, politely offer help, show general rules. That's all fine. Now we actually need to make the tools. So we had said check availability tool, and we need these two parameters, right? So here we will go on to add a tool. We will name it check availability. Description. Use this tool to check availability of the requested time slot. You will receive back a available or not available. I think that should be okay. For the requested time slot, sure. Webhook, yes. Webhook URL, yes. Before we go on to that, this needs to be post. Run function, no. Header, no. Parameter, yes. So the first one was, what was it? It was date. And this can be string. The date of the appointment. Date of the preferred date of the appointment. Okay, we'll make this required. That's all okay, and then we'll add another one. This is time. So here I'll actually give it an example. Example, we'll give it the date was, how was it again? It was just the 12th of Jan. Well, 12/01/2025. Example that. Okay. Then time string required. And here we'll just basically copy the whole thing, paste there the preferred time of the appointment, example. Then we'll just change this to 9 a.m. Okay, that should be okay. Everything else is fine. So for the actual webhook URL, this is where we go back to n8n. We create a new workflow. And the first thing we want to set up here is a webhook, right? From the webhook, we will make it post. The path can be anything that you want. Here we will just say demo dentist voice. I don't know, doesn't matter. Authentication none, respond immediately is okay for now. I'll take the production URL and I'll just make this live. That's okay. Go back and paste the URL right there. That's okay. Should be fine. Create. Check availability tool is there now. The next tool we need to make was called make appointment, I believe, or book appointment. I should have specified this in the other one as well. So for check availability, let's do the check availability first. So I'll do it like this, go back onto here. I don't want to take any chances, so I'll just give it more examples. Not available, so send info like this. That example, there we go, update, sweet. Next, I'll copy this as well for the book appointment tool. add tool. Here I'll paste name. Here I will paste this. Then I'll paste that, right? I think. Use the tool to actually book the appointment. Send info like this: full name, phone number, date, time, full name. There we go. That's fine. And now same thing here, as actually we'll have to add a few different parameters. So the first thing was, what was the first thing? Full name, phone number, date, and IDs. Okay, so full name of the user, I'll just say. Sweet. Add another one. Okay. Then we'll add another one. Then is of course the date, too technical. Date of the appointment. Let's copy this as well. Then add another one. Finally, time, quiet, and the time of the appointment. I just want to give it examples wherever I can. Example 9 a.m. right? Same thing with the date, no, not the phone number, the date of the appointment. So example, we will give it again 12th of, doesn't even make sense for an October. 12th of January 2025 and full stop, right? That should be okay, flexible, and webhook URL. Now we will just save this, go back and create another workflow. And here we will make another webhook. There we go. Production. Here we'll make it a post request. Here we will say demo dentist book, right? Doesn't really matter. Here I'll copy this. I'll just make this active. That's okay. Go back onto Millis, paste the URL right there, make that a post request. Everything else looks fine. Saved. So we'll go back onto phone number. We will link this phone number to the demo that we have just created. We will set it. Perfect. Next, we actually want to receive the data in the webhook before we start actually making the workflow.
Hi there. Welcome to Rana Dental Clinic. Can I help you book a dental appointment today?
Yes, can I please book an appointment for the 14th of November 2025 at 9 a.m.
Sure thing. Could you please provide me with your full name and phone number?
My name is Ibrahim Rana and my number is
Thank you,
06
Ibrahim.
my number is 069 347 6782.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Let me check the availability for an appointment on November 14th, 2025 at 9 a.m. Please hold on for a moment. Thank you, Ibrahim. Let me check the availability.
There we go. So before we even move on, I just cut the call there because we received the data in n8n. So let's see what this looks like. Here we have received the date. So I asked it, did I say, yeah, 14th of November. So it said 14 there, November there, 9 a.m. Perfect. So what we will do is go back into editor. So what we want to do next is add a function node and paste in this specific code that I got from ChatGPT because I explained to it that I'm getting data like this and I wanted to query Google Calendar to see if it's available, and it told me that I need to just paste this into the code node, right? So that's that. So I'll just execute the workflow, see that it's coming out like this. Appointment start date is there and appointment end date, which is just start plus 1 hour, is there. Next, what we want to do is actually put in the calendar node and get availability in a calendar. That's the correct one. Here we will just connect the right calendar. And to set this up, you'll just have to watch one of my previous videos where I show you exactly in depth how to connect all your Google credentials to make sure everything is working. And then we will just simply select the right calendar. Then at start time, we will do appointment start. There we go. I'll just remove that. And appointment end. I'll just remove this first. Appointment end. There we go. And if I run this, I see the availability is true because on November 14th, it's available. So to test this out, we will just do a test and I'll add a time of 9 a.m. to 10 a.m. Save that slot here. Now we will run the same thing again. And here we will see that the availability is actually false. So next we will just add a simple if else statement. We will say if the availability is equal to true, then we will simply here actually it will be a string is equal to true, or boolean actually, wouldn't it be, is true. There we go. True would then we'll add another, well, we will add a set node. We will name this availability. And what did we tell the AI agent? We will just say available, I think, because we told it will be either available or not available, right? So here we will just duplicate into this, and here we will be not available. So at the end here, it'll send the data back to that same webhook and tell the AI agent that no, the availability is not available. Well, same thing, right? So now what we will do is save this, right? So next we will actually build the book appointment workflow. And for that, we will then go on to the next step where it says, yes, availability is there. Can we now proceed and book? So then I want it to send data again. Then that's where we will actually start building the actual workflow.
Hello there. Can I help you book a dental appointment today?
Yes. Can I please book an appointment for the 14th of November at 9 a.m.?
Of course. May I have your full name and phone number to proceed with the booking?
Ibrahim Rana, and my number is 0123456789.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Let me check the availability for you. Let me check the availability for November 14th at 9 a.m. Please hold on for a moment.
Sure.
Thank you for your patience. Let me confirm the availability for you.
Right. So the agent was freaking out because we have actually made a mistake here on the webhook. It's instead of being immediately, we want to do when last node finishes. So we want to change it to that. Now let's try that again.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Could you also provide your phone number, please?
My number is 0123456789.
Thank you. Let me check the availability for an appointment on November 14th at 9 a.m. Please hold on for a moment. It looks like the slot on November 14th at 9 a.m. is not available. Would you like to choose a different date or time?
Yeah, okay. Can we rather do it for 11 a.m.?
Let me check the availability for November 14th at 11 a.m. Please hold on for a moment. Great news. The slot on November 14th at 11 a.m. is available. Just to confirm, your name is Ibrahim Rana. Your phone number is 0123456789. And you'd like an appointment on November 14th at 11 a.m., correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Perfect. I've submitted your appointment request to Rana Dentist. We hope to see you soon. Perfect.
There we go. So now we have just received the webhook. Let's see what the webhook has. So there we go. The full name is there, the phone number, the date, and the time. So next we will add the Google Calendar tool, right? Google Calendar. We will do create an event. We will select the right calendar. So before we write in the start and the end time, we will just press add options. We will put in, what can we put in? Attendees, description, ID, location. There's so many things here. We will put in description, I guess. So I'll just put in the full name and then the dash and the phone number. I'm sure I can probably find a better field to put this in. All right, to get the start and end time, we will go back to our other workflow and we will simply just copy and paste these two, well, this function node first. So we will add a function node right there. Right. Might actually, yeah, I think it worked fine. Did it? Probably did. Then we'll just simply connect that there. Come back here. Appointment end is this one. Okay, and then appointment start, and then this is the appointment end. There we go. And let's just test this out. Okay, if we go back, there we go, 11 a.m. and there is no title. So maybe we actually do need to change. So here I will choose, I think what it is, I think it's a summary. So I'll just paste that in there. I'll just remove the description. Let's actually see. Okay, so there's nothing available there. So we'll just run this one more time. Go back and see. Right, so there we go. I just refreshed the page and the appointment is booked. So I'll go back and here to send something back to the, and this, instead of being immediately, it needs to be when last node finishes. So at the very end, we will put a set node, and we will simply say appointment booked, right? Save that, and that should be it. Let's give the voice agent one more try.
Hello there. Can I help you book a dental appointment today?
Yes, can I please book an appointment for, let's do on the 14th of November at 11 a.m.
Sure. Could you please provide me with your full name?
My name is Ibrahim Rana.
Thank you, Ibrahim. Could you also provide me with your phone number, please?
My number is 0123456789.
Thank you for providing your information. Just to confirm, your phone number is 0123456789, correct?
Yes, that's correct.
Let me check the availability for you. It looks like the slot on November 14th at 11:05 a.m. is not available. Would you like to choose a different date or time?
Yeah, okay, let's do at 12 a.m.
Just to clarify, did you mean 12 p.m. noon instead of 12 a.m. midnight?
Right, yes, I meant 12 p.m.
Great. Let me check the availability for November 14th at 12 p.m. for you. Great news. The slot on November 14th at 12 p.m. is available. Perfect. I've submitted your appointment request to Rana Dentist. We hope to see you soon. Perfect.
Thank you.
I've
Bye-bye.
submitted your-
So that's how we create a voice AI agent for a dentist, and we can package this as a receptionist. Now, instead of a person being there, taking the calls and booking appointments manually, you have this entire automated voice agent that does it all automatically and at scale. So if you did enjoy this and you found this at all helpful, please make sure to subscribe, to like, to comment, and let me know that you did, so I can continue and post more of these tutorials and examples, and of course leave these workflows as templates in the description. And yeah, I hope to see you soon. Cheers.